Soaring high above the Swiss Alps, we are treated to a breathtaking spectacle. Jagged peaks pierce the azure sky, their snow-capped summits glistening under the midday sun. Below, emerald valleys carved by ancient glaciers unfurl like verdant ribbons. The air is crisp and thin, carrying the scent of pine and the distant roar of waterfalls cascading down sheer rock faces. This is a land of dramatic contrasts, where rugged beauty and delicate life coexist in perfect harmony. As our aerial perspective descends, we begin to notice splashes of vibrant color dotting the landscape. These are alpine gardens, pockets of life clinging tenaciously to the slopes, defying the harsh conditions. These gardens found throughout the world's mountainous regions are a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring allure of beauty in even the most challenging environments. From the rocky slopes of the Himalayas to the windswept plains of the Andes, alpine gardens thrive in a world of extremes. They endure frigid winters, scorching summers, and relentless winds, all while receiving minimal nutrients from the thin mountain soil. Yet amidst these challenges they flourish, showcasing an astonishing diversity of plant life that has adapted to thrive in this unforgiving environment. Our journey into the world of alpine gardens takes us to the four corners of the globe. In the Himalayas, nestled among the towering peaks and prayer flags fluttering in the wind, we find gardens filled with rhododendrons, their vibrant blooms painting the slopes in hues of crimson, pink, and white. These hardy shrubs have evolved to withstand the intense sunlight and freezing temperatures that characterize the high Himalayas. Further south, in the Andes Mountains of South America, we encounter a different kind of alpine garden. Here, amidst the llamas and alpacas grazing on the slopes, grow unique species of cacti and succulents. These plants have adapted to the arid conditions, storing precious water in their thick leaves and stems, their vibrant flowers adding splashes of color to the otherwise barren landscape. Crossing the Pacific Ocean, we arrive at the foothills of Mount Fuji in Japan. Here, amidst the volcanic rock and ancient forests, we discover alpine gardens renowned for their delicate beauty. Miniature azaleas and alpine grasses thrive in the well-drained soil, their subtle colors and textures creating a sense of tranquility and harmony. Creating and maintaining alpine gardens in such challenging environments is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of the local flora, the ability to adapt gardening techniques to the specific challenges of each region, and a profound respect for the delicate balance of nature. In the Swiss Alps, for example, where steep slopes and rocky terrain prevail, gardeners often use traditional dry stone walling techniques to create terraces and retain soil. These walls, built without mortar, blend seamlessly into the landscape, providing both structural support and a microclimate that shelters plants from the elements. In the Himalayas, where the growing season is short and intense, local gardeners have developed ingenious methods to protect their plants from the harsh conditions. They use yak wool to create protective coverings for delicate blooms, shielding them from frost and intense sunlight. The wool, biodegradable and naturally insulating, provides an effective barrier against the elements while enriching the soil as it decomposes. One of the most captivating aspects of alpine gardens is the sheer diversity and vibrancy of their floral displays. From the delicate pastels of alpine forget-me-nots to the fiery reds of Indian paintbrush, these gardens are a testament to nature's artistry. In the spring, as the snow begins to melt, the alpine meadows erupt in a riot of colors. Crocuses, with their goblet-shaped blooms, push through the thawing ground, their purple, yellow, and white petals heralding the arrival of spring. Soon, they are joined by carpets of gentians, their intense blue flowers a stark contrast to the surrounding greenery. As summer approaches, the display becomes even more vibrant. Alpine roses, their delicate pink and white flowers resembling miniature versions of their cultivated cousins, bloom amidst the rocks, filling the air with a sweet fragrance. They are joined by saxifrages, their star-shaped flowers ranging in color from white to pink to deep crimson. Behind the beauty of these alpine gardens lies a deep-rooted respect for nature and a commitment to preserving these fragile ecosystems for future generations. Local communities, often with generations of knowledge passed down through families, play a vital role in maintaining these gardens. In the Swiss Alps, for example, many alpine meadows are still managed using traditional methods. Farmers bring their cattle up to the high pastures during the summer months, allowing them to graze on the lush vegetation. This practice, carefully regulated to prevent overgrazing, helps to maintain the biodiversity of the meadows and prevents the encroachment of trees and shrubs. In the Himalayas, Buddhist monasteries often play a crucial role in conserving alpine biodiversity. Monks, with their deep respect for nature, often cultivate medicinal plants in their gardens, preserving traditional knowledge and ensuring the survival of these valuable species. Many alpine plants have been used for centuries by local communities for their medicinal and culinary properties. The knowledge of these traditional uses, often passed down through generations of oral tradition, provides a fascinating glimpse into the interconnectedness between humans and nature. In the European Alps, for example, the arnica plant has been used for centuries to treat bruises, sprains, and muscle soreness. Its bright yellow flowers, resembling miniature sunflowers, contain compounds with anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. In the Andes, the coca plant, a shrub with glossy green leaves and small white flowers, has played a central role in Andean cultures for millennia. Its leaves, chewed or brewed into a tea, provide a mild stimulant and are used to alleviate altitude sickness and boost energy levels. The plants that thrive in alpine environments are a testament to the adaptability and resilience of life. They have evolved ingenious strategies to survive in a world of extremes, developing unique adaptations that allow them to thrive where other plants would wither. Take, for example, the cushion plants found in alpine regions around the world. These plants, as their name suggests, grow in dense, low-lying cushions, their tightly packed leaves and stems creating a microclimate that traps heat and moisture. This adaptation helps them to withstand the strong winds, intense sunlight, and freezing temperatures that characterize their environment. Another fascinating adaptation found in many alpine plants is their ability to produce antifreeze compounds. These compounds, similar to those found in the radiators of cars, prevent the formation of ice crystals within the plant's cells, protecting them from damage during freezing temperatures. Walking through an alpine garden is a sensory delight. The air is filled with a symphony of fragrances, from the sweet perfume of alpine azaleas to the musky scent of alpine avens. Each plant seems to release its unique aroma, creating an olfactory tapestry that changes with the time of day and the season. The textures of alpine plants are equally diverse. From the soft, velvety leaves of edelweiss to the prickly spines of alpine thistles, each plant offers a tactile experience that invites exploration. The contrast between these textures, combined with the vibrant colors and intoxicating fragrances, creates a sensory experience that is both stimulating and serene. Alpine gardens are not only places of beauty, but also vital sanctuaries for biodiversity. They provide habitat for a wide range of insects, birds, and small mammals, many of which are specially adapted to the challenging conditions. The flowers of alpine plants, with their vibrant colors and sweet nectar, attract a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. These pollinators, in turn, play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of the alpine ecosystem. The rocky outcrops and crevices found in alpine environments provide shelter for a variety of small mammals, such as marmots, pikas, and voles. These animals, in turn, become prey for larger predators, such as foxes, eagles, and lynx, highlighting the interconnectedness of life in these fragile ecosystems. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the mountain slopes, the alpine garden takes on a magical quality. The air cools, the colors of the flowers seem to intensify, and a sense of tranquility descends upon the landscape. In the Swiss Alps, the setting sun bathes the peaks in a warm, golden light, creating a breathtaking spectacle that draws visitors from around the world. The snow-capped summits of the Eiger, Monch, and Jungfrau, towering above the Lauterbrunnen Valley, glow with an ethereal beauty, their reflections shimmering in the turquoise waters of Lake Brienz. At Schinnige Platt, a renowned botanical garden perched high above Interlaken, the sunset is a particularly special experience. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the meticulously maintained gardens, the surrounding peaks erupt in a final blaze of glory, their snow-capped summits painted in hues of pink, orange, and purple. Alpine gardens, with their breathtaking beauty, remarkable biodiversity, and the enduring spirit of the plants that inhabit them, offer a powerful reminder of the wonders of the natural world. They stand as a testament to the power of adaptation, the importance of preserving biodiversity, and the profound connection between humans and nature. As we conclude our journey through these enchanting landscapes, let us remember the lessons they teach us about resilience, respect, and the importance of cherishing the delicate balance of life on Earth. For in the heart of these gardens, amidst the towering peaks and the delicate blooms, lies a timeless wisdom that speaks to the very essence of our existence.